previous video, we introduced the zero investment innovative idea of seeing is believing field trip, which we are going to begin implementing today by taking our students to a nearby park for a picnic. Through this, let's find out how we can guide our students to build the concept of applying some basic operations to real-life situations. But before organizing the picnic, it is important that we first seek permission from the higher authorities at the school to take the students on the trip. And once we have their approval, we will provide our students with consent forms that need to be signed by their parents. A day prior to the field trip, inform the students that they are going to be taken for a picnic to a park where they will be learning about various things. So, once we have everything ready and good to go, it's time to begin our field trip. On this day, we shall ask the students to carry their lunch boxes and water bottles with them to the park. We will be taking our students to the park in minibuses. So, we shall require the assistance of another educator to ensure the safety of our students and to ensure that they stay together. Allow the students to get onto the minibus one after the other and ask each student to take one seat. Now, let's ask the students some leading questions based on the seating arrangement. Begin by asking, how many seats are there in the bus? The students will respond by counting the seats. Assuming that the number of students is more in comparison to the seats available, let's ask, how many students are left unseated? Allow the students to respond accordingly. As the students analyze the situation and respond, it will aid in developing their critical thinking and effective communication skills. Continue to ask, do we require more buses? The students may respond by saying either yes or no. If students have responded affirmatively, let's ask, how many buses are required? Accept all possible responses. If some students are left unseated, take them to another bus and inquire the same questions there as well. Thus, in this way, the students have learned to apply basic operations to real-life situations. Tune into our next video where we will be explaining more concepts of the lesson as we continue with our field trip.